Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus, and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So let's begin with managing the app itself. So for example, if I've got problems with Google Chrome, so the browser, we have to open the settings. I have to open the settings, then scroll and find the apps. And here go to manage apps. And what I need to do now is to simply find the Chrome here in the list. Let's tap on it. And the first thing which I highly recommend to do is to go to storage and localize this cache section and tap on clear cache. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage. Moreover, sometimes they can interfere, so removing cache is always a great idea. Moreover, I highly recommend to simply tap on force stop and tap on force stop to confirm, because sometimes if the app is opened in the background, it might interfere and there might be some problems with opening it again. Alright, so the force stop. And another thing which I highly recommend to do after that is to simply try to open the app. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to check for the updates, because sometimes older versions might have different problems. So simply go to the Play Store, make sure that you've got the internet connection, of course, and enter Chrome in this in the search area. Here we've got the Chrome, and if the update is available, your device will show it to you. So all you have to do is to tap on update, and your device will download the newer version and overwrite it over the older one. However, sometimes it also might cause some problems, because overwriting the older version the overwriting might interfere with the newer version, etc. So what I also highly recommend to do if the update didn't work is to simply tap on this app, and instead of update, you will have this option uninstall. So then uninstall your app, let it fully remove everything, and after that install it again, because then your device will directly download the newer version, and it might be a little bit better. Moreover, as a last resort, I highly recommend to check for your software updates, because if you've got an older version, it might have some problems with newer apps. So simply go to the settings. Here scroll all the way down and find System and Updates, and here at the top you've got the software update, so simply tap on it and your device will check for the updates. If it will find a newer update, I highly recommend to simply tap on download or install and apply it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.